How to fix privacy warning Wi-Fi on iPhone. To fix the privacy warning Wi-Fi on iPhone, you first need to open up settings on your iPhone. Once you're in, you will be able to access all the primary settings on your iPhone. Now, tap on Wi-Fi. Here, you will be able to connect to Wi-Fi, view available networks, and manage settings for joining networks and nearby hotspots. From here, tap on the icon beside your Wi-Fi network. Then, tap on the private Wi-Fi address. After that, select the rotating option. A rotating private address reduces tracking by periodically changing this device's Wi-Fi address on this network. You can also change it to fixed. By following these simple steps, you can easily fix privacy warning Wi-Fi on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.